Okay, so that's the second problem, horizontal directional high permeability trend. And the third thing is actually matrix channeling with crossflow plus viscous fingering. Okay, so matrix channeling means water will be channeled from the injector to the producer because of matrix permeability. So like in this case, this layer will have matrix permeability, let's say K1, and this is K2. And in this case, of course, K1 is greater than K2. And then the problem is worse because we have viscous fingering as well. Okay, this is a combined problem of permeability contrast and mobility ratio contrast. And you may or may not have permeability barrier between the two layers. In this case, there is no good barrier, okay, no good barrier such that you have developed crossflow. Okay, so it's like that. In this case, permeability in the first layer, in the upper layer is greater. So the first layer will be depleted earlier, and the water on or the fluid from the second layer will be directed to the depleted layer, which is to the first layer. Okay, so water in this case will flow from layer 2 to layer 1 because of depletion occurring in the layer 1. Okay, and of course the viscous fingering also makes the problem worse. Okay, so this is the third thing, matrix channeling with crossflow, viscous fingering. Okay, it should be fingering, by the way. By the way, all these cases are not just concept, are not just idea, they really occur in the actual water flood or water injection operation. Okay, and the fourth thing is actually matrix channeling without crossflow. So again, we have channeling because of matrix permeability. In this case, again, K1 is greater than K2, such that the first layer will be depleted first because you drain more from the first layer. Okay, and yeah, water will move faster in the first layer because of depletion and because of course, the permeability itself. Okay, and in this case, you have a good barrier separating the first layer from the second layer. So it's barrier, mainly it's shield. Okay, so there is no cross flow from layer 1 to layer 2 or vice versa. Okay, and because the second layer has low permeability, somehow the water will move slower towards towards the producer. Okay, and the fifth is actually matrix water coning.